My husband and I were thinking at the beginning that we were going to move to a smaller apartment when we got older. But because of a series of events, we have 3 granddaughters, and I really don't want to move from this house. He took the decision that if we were going to stay, we should put in a lift as a preventive measure. We also were considering the fact that we're getting older, you can have problems, sometimes because of an accident, which I had last year. In July, I broke my ankle, and we had to bring the bed down into the living room because I couldn't make it up the stairs. It was impossible. And 3 years before that, he'd fallen down the stairs and broken his back, and he had a lot of problems. So in order to have a solution when we get older, or we're sick, or we have some sort of accident or some sort of problem, we decided that a lift would be the best idea if we didn't want to move. Well, when we started investigating this about 3 years ago, I wasn't really convinced about the lifts that were out in the marketplace. I like the idea that it's just a platform that moves up and down inside of a glass box, which gives you all the natural light that you need. It doesn't give you any feeling of claustrophobia. And on top of it, in the lift, you can actually fit 4 people standing in the lift without any problems. So that was one of the main reasons that we chose Cibes. When we called up Cibes, we had a reaction right away. I was also very surprised because they said that they could do it in a period of 1 week, that the lift could be working in 1 week. And to be honest, I didn't believe it. But it was.